In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a partial blur in Affinity by Canva. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you must have your image in here, and then you want to swap the pixel up top. There we go. And then you want to click on this tool over here, which is called the filter brush tool. And you want to click on that, and you want to select the filter brush tool. Now, you could go ahead and use this blur brush tool as well, and you can then blur by just like drawing around different objects over here. However, I think the more convenient and the easier way would be to just use this. So the basic tool over here, which again is called the filter brush tool, go up to the very top and select Gaussian blur as the option here. And then you can select your brush size. So for example, I'm going to leave it like it is over here. Let's just do like that. And then you can select your opacity. You can go ahead and select your flow and then your hardness as well. So that's up to you. I'm just going to use 50% over here. And then you can zoom into your image and you can already see kind of the preview of course, your blur. Okay, so wherever you then want your blur to be, just click on that specific image and then you can then just click and then your blur is going to apply wherever you want it to be. Okay, so this is gonna come really handy if you're trying to blur like some faces of some people or maybe like blur some license plates, stuff like that. This could come really handy. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.